Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic of HLB, that is hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Now what is HLB? HLB is a hydrophile and lipophile balance system. It is a scale for expressing the hydrophilic and lipophilic characteristics of an emulsifying agent. Means हमारा कोई भी emulsifying agent है तो हम उसको express करते हैं HLB स्केल से. HLB स्केल क्या है? हाइड्रोफाइल और लिपोफाइल स्केल. ओके, तो इसमें हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उसका हाइड्रोफिलिक और लिपोफिलिक करेक्टरिस्टिक्स. नाउ एजेंट्स विच HLB वैल्यू ऑफ 1 to 8 आर लिपोफिलिक एंड सुटेबल फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वाटर इन ऑयल इमल्शंस. मीन्स 1 to 8 रेंज में हमारे आते हैं वाटर इन ऑयल इमल्शंस एंड द HLB वैल्यू ऑफ 8 to 18 आर हाइड्रोफिलिक एंड गुड फॉर ऑयल इन वाटर इमल्शन. मीन्स 8 to 18 रेंज में आते हैं हमारे हाइड्रोफिलिक ऑयल इन वाटर इमल्शंस. HLB is a hydrophilic and lipophilic balance. It is a system which consists of a scale in which values are assigned to different surfactants according to their nature. This system was introduced by Griffin in 1949. The value of 1 to 20 on HLB scale represent lipophilic and hydrophilic part. ये हमारा स्केल दिख रहा है आपको, HLB स्केल है ये. इसमें रेंज है 0 to 18. ओके, 0 to 20 रेंज में हमारा आता है लिपोफिलिक एंड हाइड्रोफिलिक पार्ट. हायर नंबर इंडिकेट्स दैट एजेंट इज हाइड्रोफिलिक. मीन्स हमारा ग्रेटर वैल्यू होगी जितनी स्केल में उतना है हमारा हाइड्रोफिलिक नेचर ज़्यादा होगा सब्सटेंस का, इमल्सिफाइंग एजेंट का. और लो HLB वैल्यू होगी तो इट इंडिकेट्स दैट द सब्सटेंस इज लिपोफिलिक. HLB value of 1 indicates surfactant is soluble in oil. HLB value of 20 indicates that surfactant is soluble in water. HLB value 1.8 to 8.6 indicates that surfactants are lipophilic substances. Now, the oil phase of an oil in water emulsion requires a specific HLB called as required hydrophilic lipophilic balance, that is RHLB. Now, percent emulsifier with high HLB is equal to RHLB minus HLB low upon HLB high minus RHLB. Here you can see high HLB, water soluble oil in water emulsion. On the right side you can see low HLB, that is oil soluble water in oil emulsion. Okay, now how to determine the HLB of the polyhydric alcohol fatty acid esters. This is a formula, that is HLB is equal to 20 1 minus S upon A. S is saponification number of the ester, A is acid number of fatty acid. It is a formula to determine the HLB of the polyhydric alcohol, that is fatty acid esters. Now second formula is for surfactants with no saponification number. The formula is HLB is equal to E plus P upon 5, where E is the percent by weight of ethylene oxide. This is the example of ethylene oxide. And P is the percent by weight of polyhydric alcohol group in the molecules. Now surfactants with hydrophilic portion have only polyoxyethylene. Okay, this is the formula. HLB is equal to E upon 5, where E is the percent by weight of polyoxyethylene. Okay, so this is the formulas to determine the hydrophilic and lipophilic balance value.